बेसिकली कॉन्ग्रेस सबसे पहले तो ये कि इट्स अ साइन ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स कॉन्फिडेंस इन पाकिस्तान एंड वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले आर रोल इन ग्रोइंग द इकोनॉमी थ्रू क्रिएटिंग जॉब्स और इसके अलावा वी आर गोइंग टू गिव अ different and a better retail experience to customers, to Pakistanis actually. So basically जब आप Condis को देखेंगे तो we are going to have all the local and international brands in our stores, be it grocery stores, fresh vegetables and fruits, then we have a fashion store, then we have a food court जहाँ पे you can enjoy actually eating with your family or friends while you are shopping with them. इसके अलावा जो है we are launching on 30th of October, 31st of October actually, which is going to be a public launch. On 31st of October, all of you, I would invite all of you to visit on the store because we're going to have a lot of promotions and lot of offers for our customers. So I would invite all of you.